Assalamualaikum. I am Abdurrafe and you are watching CAD. Today I am going to tell you about offset command in AutoCAD. Offset command is used to make parallel lines and concentric circles. It is also used to offset different shapes. Let's start our video. First of all, open the AutoCAD software. Here I already made some shapes. The shortcut key of offset command is O. You just type O and press enter. You can also access the offset command from this icon. This is for offset command. Click on this, and now you will need to specify the distance between your source object and the object to be offset and made parallel. The parallel is distance between the two lines or object. I will specify here as 3 and press enter. Click on this line and give the direction. If you give the direction towards downward, the offset is made downward, and click using your mouse. Again, click this and I will give the direction towards upward. You will see. You can also change the distance here. I will give the distance 5 and press enter. You will see the distance is changed. I will click here and distance I will give 10 and press enter. You can also do the same thing with the circle. This is circle with. You can also make a concentric circle inward or outward of the circle, and the same work with this rectangle. Outward and inward. There are also many other options in AutoCAD. Let's see them. This is, there you see in the bottom there is exit, multiple and undo option. If you press M use the keyboard and press enter, now you just need to click the button of your mouse and the multiple parallel lines of distance 3 of each is created. The 3 distance is the distance which we gave it already to the offset command. You can see on the screen parallel lines are created. Now if you make this on upward, the same thing is done. Again press offset. There is an option of throw in the bottom. You just type T and press enter. Click on any line, you can see. Now if you have no specified distance, you can also offset using this one, you can offset here. You can also specify here the distance. If I type here 12 and press enter, you see the distance between these two is 12 meters. You can also give the undo command. Just type U here, and if you want to exit the offset command, just type E and press enter. The offset command is off now, it is exit. Again we type O and press enter. There is another option of layer. To discuss the layer option in AutoCAD, we just need to create a layer. This here we create a new layer. We create two new layers here with different colors. Yeah. Okay. Now again offset command, press enter and specify some distance of 5, then go here. You see it is a current layer. Now select this one and this is the layer 1. Select it as layer 1. Now offset and type L. Now you will need to select the source or current layer. The source layer, it is default is source layer. First we go with the source layer. Okay, specify the distance is 5. You see the offset is with the source layer the same color. It will change the layer here, type, make it as layer 2 as the current layer, offset, type L and type C and press enter. Now the offset is with the current layer. The current layer is layer 2. Press enter to specify the distance and offset. You will see the offset is with the current layer. The current layer is the green one. You can also offset this with the current layer. You see. Thanks for watching. Hope you learn about the offset command in AutoCAD. For any question, comment in the comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and also share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also see our website, the website link in the description. Okay, Allah Hafiz.